Hi everyone, this is Mohammad. I'm one of the lecturers here at MI Pathways, an official NCUK study center in Bangladesh. I primarily focus in teaching mathematics as part of the International Foundation Year program. I know for many students, maths can feel like one of the hardest subjects. When they first join, they often tell they have always struggled or get scared while doing maths. But the good news is the International Foundation Year program is much easier than A-levels. The syllabus is focused, the pace is steady, and we all support you throughout the course. You don't have to sit for one big exam. The final grade comes from your both coursework and exams, which really helps to reduce pressure. In the classes, we try to make the maths as simple as possible. The topics are broken down into small steps, use real-life examples, and give regular assessments so the students can feel more confident. We even encourage the students to ask questions, even the basic ones. The topics we really cover are algebra and functions, trigonometry, calculus, and statistics, which actually are designed for the students to choose for in engineering and business streams. I see many students who were actually afraid of doing maths really started to enjoying it and really doing well. At MI Pathways, we want to help, not to just pass, but actually prepare you for university abroad. So don't worry if you're struggling at first. You're not alone. We are here to help to achieve your dreams come true. Thank you.